again with another snippet for today. Let's see what's in store for us. Today's question is quite interesting. We often face this problem. We buy semi-cooked food from supermarket, but sometimes we feel confused that what's the best way to cook it in the microwave. So let's begin our journey today. Let's see what's the best way to cook this half-cooked, ready-to-eat food.
Whenever you get half-cooked box, first of all you have to check whether it is food safe or microwave safe. And then only you can decide that you can put it in the microwave oven. You have to take a fork and you have to pierce it. Pierce it thoroughly all over on the surface and make sure it's done properly, uniformly. And after that, you have to continue doing this. Then after that you have to put it in the microwave oven. So the one which I got was half cooked and I kept it out of refrigerator before doing this activity, so I just had to cook for 5 minutes. But if you are keeping it in the freezer and if you are taking it out in the frozen state, then during that time you have to put this inside the microwave oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. You have to look at the instructions provided there. After 5 minutes, when it is done, you have to take it out and then you slowly have to take out the outside film which is covering this food. And you will see that it's all everything is done. The rice is properly prepared and the curry is also properly cooked. And the only step left is to serve it hot.
After watching today's episode, I believe that all the confusions regarding preparing half-cooked food in microwave will be gone. And this will really make me happy. And when will you relish yummy pizza or the delicious pulao? Don't forget to remember me. Please subscribe to my channel. This will encourage me to make more snippets like this, which will help you in daily life. I will be back with another snippet next time. Till then, take care and bye.